Hi, my friend. Here I am again, crafting a junk journal tag, this time inspired by the letter C. And for the ones who turned in for the first time, this is part of a collaboration, ABC April 2025, hosted by Crafty by Toni and Seven Plaza, where for the month of April, Monday to Saturday, we are crafting inspired by the alphabet, like little bits and pieces and ephemera for our junk journals. And my challenge for myself is every morning to take 15 minutes and to craft a junk journal tag inspired by a feeling, a word, a concept that supports our mental health and well-being. Taking 15 minutes to start my day to reflect on something very important to me. And today it's C, and C for me stands for calm. And calm is the antidote to chaos. It's the stillness we find when we let go of stress and focus on the present moment. And when I'm sitting with that and I have like inner pictures or memories around it, what comes up for me is like rippling water or soft rain or clouds drifting across the sky. And I thought something like that I would like to put into this tab. Like, I thought I would like to rip some of the coffee dyed paper like in like little mountains. I just start, and I think I start with that one here, and yeah. Something like that. And if I take here the next, oops, I have two more. Maybe I'm taking this one here. Maybe I'm taking here. So that when I layer it, you see that it is a little bit like a mountain range, I thought. Have a look. Not so such a fan on this one yet. Let's see. I like this greenish bit here. Maybe. Yes, that's what I like. That's what I like. Wonderful. Okay. Let's start with that one here. A little bit right up. Yes, that's it. yet again. I forget, I get so absorbed in my crafting here that I completely forget to talk to you. I'm so sorry. I hope you enjoyed the music while I did this. But yes, okay. I hope you had a wonderful day yesterday, and if you haven't seen my video yesterday, go and check it out. And so let's have a look. What I also thought, I found in a thrift shop this punch, and I thought I would like to see if I can punch like a tree out of this. Yes, of course. So, and I thought I would like to have this here somewhere in the middle. Maybe like that. Maybe like that. It's a nice thing. So you will, I'm sure, will have heard a lot about the power of breathing when it comes to being calm, because for many people calmness is something that they think we are calm, like it's nothing we can influence, while actually calmness is one of the states that we actually have quite a chance to have a little bit of control over. Let me put it maybe here, maybe like that. There is, for example, a breathing technique, and the breathing technique is called like a square breathing, and it is you breathe in like counting to 4, like, and then you hold for 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then breathe out 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and breathe out. Each time you are counting internally to 4, like holding 4, breathing out 4, holding 4, breathing in 4. That is actually calming our nervous system, and with that we have actively a chance to choose calmness. So whenever you are nervous or you feel anxious or so, give it a try, because it really is it's a bottom up approach. Like we are using our body to more or less hack our nervous system. Okay, I have this. I think I would like to have here something on the bottom of it. What I found are these little flowers here. I'm wondering if I want, that's too big. Definitely this one here. I like that one. Let's see. Get it off. Yeah. This one here. I like it here. Another flower. Right here. And one more like here. So, but what else could we do? Definitely here, a little butterfly. I would like to have a little butterfly. A little butterfly. Butterfly, my butterfly. Now you get even a little bit of singing from me. Yep, I think that's in the moment enough for me. But I also would like to put some of the distress oxide ink around here. And I think what I would like to do is like a tag here. Maybe what do you think? What kind of tag? We want this or that? Maybe I punch them out both and then we go and have a look. Let me see. Okay. That. That. Or this. Then we can decide what we would like to have. So let's have a look. I will again take my Distress Oxide ink, go around so that we really get a feel for it. Yeah. So I wonder when you take your time to actually use the moment to reflect on the topic of calmness. Do you feel calm in the moment? Do you feel stressed? What helps you to calm down? Of course, like for me and maybe for many of you, calming down. Crafting helps, definitely helps. Definitely helps. Let me see. Like this one. What we also have is, I can use this little snippet here. I would like to stamp the word calm again. Here. So if I use that, I'd like to have it here. Oh, I could stamp calm there. Now, I think I would like to have this one here on top and then the calm here on the bottom. Let's see. With the little black dots there or not. Okay, let's have a look. No, that's not what I'm after. That's not what I'm after. So let me have a look. Yep, I think that's what I would like. Now, take this one. Oh, but before I do that, I first put that one here. And you know what? Now, like I'm stopping everything in the middle of it, but I just thought I would like to have a little bit of cheesecloth. Little bit of cheesecloth. So, zack. So a little bit of cheesecloth. Here. Let's put that down. Yep. And this on top. And this little thingy here. So let's put that down. And here. This on top. Very nice. Very nice. Yep. That's what I like. That's what I like. And what I also would like to do is I would like to back that one up with coffee dyed paper. First of all, it's more sturdy, and second, I like the look of it. Oops, 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 oops. It's if you don't do it in the right order. So, but today is calm day. So, I am fine with that. Let me put that back. So, right now I'm carefully pressing it all down. So, yes, 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 yes. And carefully from the other side to get all down, and I hope this time if I look very carefully yep, still everything in place. Very good. Everything is sticking everywhere. But because we choose calm this morning, yes, not a problem. We can breathe, laugh about it, and choose calmness. And here, yeah, it's wonderful. It's still full of glue. That's the nice thing with the craft glue. It takes a while to actually dry out. So, love it. I 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 love it. Okay, and the other side. Nice journaling space. Yes. So, great. Okay. That is us for today, and this is our take number 3, and the word for today is calm. And it's good to remember, calm is always accessible. Like, you just need to pause, breathe, and let it in. I wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you again tomorrow. Bye for now.